video. Today's video, we are gonna be playing some Dead Trigger. No stop! Oh, stupid zombie! Mom! Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Dead Trigger. Yeah, Dead Trigger, guys. So yeah, okay, recommended weapon. Nah, I don't want that. So let's, because I like my gun, the Scorpion 9.7. It's a really good gun. It costs $7,000. It's actually very expensive. Oh, I actually like this map. I love this map. It's my favorite map in the world. And I wish I could just love it, yo. I wish I could. I'm just kidding. I mean, I love this map, but don't go too crazy with it. If you could marry anything in the world, what would you marry? I would marry a bowl of cheese. I would marry some cheese. What? What? Bitch. Who the hell is it? I swear there's something weird going on. See, like, I keep on getting hit while there's no one hitting me. Dumb pieces of... Where's it gonna come out from, huh? Huh? Oh, over here, okay. Perfect day for onions and rings, yo. Okay. Oh, great. You get garlic today. Why garlic, huh? What do you think this is? A vampire charade? Why? Why do we have brains? Why do... Sweet! Just when 2 million zombies were getting in my office. Visit bank and get free, but no. I did favorite weapon. Yeah, the Scorpion is one of my favorites. Sweet. What? That's over it. So let's go to an easy quest. They for no one like no. Moonlight will find the no. I hate this. You know what? Whatever. I'm just here for collect the money to buy a chainsaw. Cause chainsaw costs 5,000. I have 4,800. So yeah, 200 more, which shouldn't be that hard to do. And yeah. I really like buying new guns, but I like Call of Duty a lot because you don't have to buy the new guns. So you're playing some kind of thing. You under arrested. You under arrested for being an ugly bitch. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Wait a second. Boy, the hell yeah, that was... Okay, well... Come on, give me some money. How much money am I gonna get? What was my total? That was crap. So let's go to Bloody Subway. Let's try to beat that score. The score was 60, which is terrible. Literally terrible. You know what? Bloody Subway. No, free wave 1. Yeah, of course it always says 24th. Oh, shoot. You want to join the party, don't you? Well, here, how you go. To join the party, all you gotta do is go to die.com, kill yourself, and then you'll be in the party. But please don't, I don't want more zombies here. I really don't want more zombies. Sweet. Oh my god, this guy's ugly. I like the part where they like just spin the head and then he... I'm Daryl, you know what? Hey guys, this is the Daryl Mansion 5.9. You're under arrested for being an ugly bitch. For being ugly.
That's close.
Boy. Oh yeah, let's go. Trying to get headshots. Dang it, I died. Well, that was terrible. How much money did I get? Well, at least I probably got enough money to buy. Yeah, I definitely got enough money to buy that. Dang, I didn't get enough money, bro. But guys, that's it for this video. If you guys want to see more, hit that like button down below. I'm just kidding. We're gonna do one more battle and see if we can get the money. Stadium of Death. I'm really good at this one. I got my favorite spot. It's right here. Yeah, this spot is like the best spot you'll ever get, guys. Oh god. Yeah, the ones that are main about the map, like those runners, those Olympic runners, they're fast because it's their map. Like, come on. Oh shoot, I gotta get my gun ready. Something I'm worried. Ah! Yeah, like those guys, those fast ones. Oh, there's another one back there. Well, that one is back there. It shouldn't be bad. Okay, we definitely got unlocked the chainsaw. We can buy the chainsaw now. This game is pretty popular with 10 million, but you know what's really popular? Pokemon Go. Sissy is really popular. Like, it's been out for 4 weeks only, and guess how much downloads it got? 50 million. Yeah, no bragging or anything, but that's insane. Okay, sweet. We did wanna go. I like to do it sometimes without aim. I like it. It's like, okay, wave 1 complete. Oh my god, I'm getting so much money. I got so much money, I think I don't know what to do. But guys, that's it for this video. If you guys want to see more, tell them down below for more videos and more good fun. And I'll show you in the next video. Bye, but wait. Before we do, let's go to the shop. Bye. ChainSaw. We can upgrade it, but let's just go in a battle with it, okay? Just for peace sake, let's go in bloody subway because we're gonna try to beat it. Well, not beat it, but like give our with. Who wants to go? Oh, you wanna rib me? You wanna rib me? Oh, you in this rib too? Oh, I see how it is. Oh, I see you want. I see that you wanna. Oh, this is going better than I. But you know what? Who cares? But I thought the scorpion would be in it too. Like both of them. Like because this dangle on the top left to show you the gun, and I thought you could switch it with that. So cool. Very good. Can you even? Why the hell is there an aim if you can't aim? I'm just pressing it. It's like no aim for you. It's only shit. In real life, chainsaws don't have ammo. I don't know what kind of chainsaw this is, but it's a bad chainsaw. After you died. Okay, that was the best we done though. Because of the score. So yeah. I'll see you in the next video.